What happens in Washington D.C. doesn't stay in Washington D.C., especially when it comes to your Australian mortgage. Why is the US Federal Reserve raising interest rates so aggressively? The simple answer: to fight high inflation in America. When US rates go up, global investors rush to buy US dollars. This makes the Aussie dollar weaker and imported goods in Australia, like fuel and electronics, more expensive. To fight this inflation in Australia, the Reserve Bank of Australia, RBA, is forced to follow the US lead and hike its own rates. And that's exactly where your mortgage comes in. Higher RBA rates mean banks have higher costs, and they pass those costs on to you. Whether you're on a variable rate or about to refinance a fixed-rate loan, expect your monthly payments to climb. The US Fed's fight is your wallet's challenge. Don't get caught off guard. Master the global economy and protect your finances. Subscribe to Capital Verse today for the latest global financial insights.